Hey, what's up, Tron holder? This is very important video for all Tron holder because we expect the price target of Tron, my brother. So definitely very huge target, but absolutely this is possible. So a lot of experts, my friend, research personally about that, and after that, my brother, we will take this decision. So this is absolutely good time for investing, my brother. And this video, everything I will discuss you with detailed price prediction, technical analysis, and also, my friend, we will talk about the target, the price target. So kindly you need to watch this video completely to understand better. Now the update, first of all, you can see last 1 hour minus 0.28% loss now, and last 1 day you can see my brother plus 3.55% profit, last 7 days you can see minus 19.66% profit, and definitely that's mean to the coin is going in the moon now. The last 3 days chart, as you can see my brother, so the coin is completely under a profit. Tron 6.43% price is increased just in only in last 3 days, and I hope and brother in upcoming time the price will be also increasing day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. And definitely, my friend, if a holder are hold and if a holder are starting investing more, so they will moving upward. Absolutely everybody knows this, they will moving upward. So if you know to they will moving upward if we invest, if we hold, so why you are waiting? Kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so invest in those days because the price is very cheap, and definitely at the end of month every coin, my brother, will moving very fastly forward, moving upward. So therefore I think Tron is also going the moon now, but just in only, my friend, need to hold now. Holders are holding and investment more now. So thanks for watching, Tron holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Kindly, if you are new my channel, just only click this like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.